we had a workshop with the goal of assembling a remote-controlled robot car. First, we started by putting together the car using Arduino components. Then we programmed the commands to control it. We used the Arduino IDE for coding and the Remote XY app to control the car.
First, we assembled the robot's components on a plastic chassis, which we put together with the Spanish students. After that, we installed 2 geared motors, a breadboard, and an Arduino. The entire robot is powered by 3.7-volt batteries, which we placed in the middle of the chassis. We chose geared motors instead of standard electric ones because they allow us to adjust and control the torque. Next, we connected the motors to the H-bridge and the Arduino on the breadboard. To power the robot, we needed to select the right batteries, as the USB-C port doesn't provide enough power. As for the Arduino, we chose the Arduino Uno R4 because it has a built-in Bluetooth module for communication with our phones. Finally, we connected the robot and the phone app. To control the robot, we used the Remote XY app. First, we installed the app on a mobile phone and activated Bluetooth and geolocation to connect with the car. Then, we configured the interface by adding 2 buttons, right and left, for steering, a slider to control speed, a switch to toggle between forwards and backward movements. The controls worked as follows. If both buttons were pressed, the car moved forward or backward, depending on the switch's position. Pressing the right button made the car turn right, pressing the left button made the car turn left.
We use the Remote XY website because it also creates the graphical interface for our phones, which use to control the robot. We divided the program into 5 steps. We started by using only one button to turn on the Arduino's built-in LED. Then, in the Remote XY application, we added 2 buttons with red, green and blue option to regulate the RGB LED. To adjust the brightness of each color, we used sliders ranging from 0 to 100, or in Arduino terms, from 0 to 6 times. Once we assembled the robot, we created a program to drive it. We used 2 buttons, one for each wheel, a switch and a slider to regulate the robot's speed. Once we had the partial code, we copied and pasted it in the Arduino IDE. Once we had the partial code, we copied and pasted it into the Arduino IDE. We completed the program by connecting the buttons and wheels via software and making some final adjustments. This app software generates a phone interface automatically, no coding needed.